Okay. Industrial Security Management. Industrial Security Management, ito yung nasa manual ng Industrial Security Management. Type of security guard. Meron tayong tinatawag na private security guard. Ito yung security guard hired by the client belonging to the private security agency. Ibig sabihin, may agency ka, itong agency mo na ito, kasali ka dyan sa private security agency. Ang nagmamanage dyan, yung mga security agency, dyan ka nakabilang pag private security agency. Hinire ka nila. Sa company security force, a security force is maintained and operated by the private company for its own security requirements. Pag sinabi natin company, sila mismo yung nag-hire ng kanilang security guard. Government security. Pag sinabi natin government security, a security guard is recruited and employed by the government. Private detective. Pag sinabi natin private detective is any person who inform a detective work for higher reward or commission. Pag central station system, a type of protective alarm is located outside installation. Yung alarm nasa labas. Example, school, nasa gitna ng school yung alarm. Yung alarm doon, sila na mismo tatawag sa PNP pagka narinig nila yung alarm. Proprietary system, ulitin natin sa central station system. Ang central station system, ganito. Bahay to, nandito sa may gitna niya, tapos nakakonect yan sa PNP. Ibig sabihin, nasa gitna siya. Ito yung central station system, nasa gitna. Ito ngayon yung sa gitna ngayon ang tatawag ng police. Auxiliary system, it is the system installation circuit are located into or police department by a leased telephone line. Ito yung nakarekta agad sa police station. Pag sinabi nating auxiliary system, nakakonekta agad sa police station. Local alarm by chance system. This is local alarm. This local alarm in which siren or bell is sounded with no predictable response. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang predictable response. Yan yung local alarm by system. Depende kung may makakita o wala. Security survey. It is the process of conducting an exhaustive physical examination and through inspection of all operation system and procedures of a facility is a fact-finding proof to determine a plan, inadequate and deficiency in all aspect of security with a corresponding recommendation. Ito yung mabusisi na pag-inspection sa isang lugar kung ano yung kakulangan sa establishment para ma-comply nila. Example, kulang ng fire exit, kulang ng fire extinguisher. Ayan. Okay, dako tayo sa security inspection. Security inspection is the process of conducting physical examination to determine the compliance with the establishment of security policies and procedure. As a result of security survey, ngayon, aalamin mo na kung na-comply ba nila yung kakulangan sa establishment. Ayan. Okay, next tayo. Dito tayo sa mga susi. Grandmaster key. Ang Grandmaster key can open everything in a system involving 2 or more master keys group. Ito, kaya niyang buksan lahat. Kaya niyang buksan lahat ng pintuan, Grandmaster key. Submaster key, in the key control, it can open all locks with a particular area or grouping. Example, may group lang siya, 1 to 8 door. Kaya niyang buksan yan. Confidential is any information and material unauthorized to disclosure of which would be prejudicial to the interest or prestige of the nation or government activity. Example kasi nitong confidential na to, pag nalabas yung document na yan, maaring mapahiya yung government. Diba? Yan yung confidential. Top secret. Top secret is any information and material unauthorized disclosure of would cause exceptionally grave damage to national, political, economical. Yung example nito, yung mapa ng military base, pag nalabas yan, tapos nakuha ng China, maaring masakop tayo. Okay? Restricted. Restricted is any information or material which require the special protection and other than those determined to confidential, secret to top secret matters. Pag sinabi natin restricted, dito naman kailangan lang protektahan. Hindi naman ganun kalala. Pero dapat huwag ilalabas. Safe. Ano ba yung safe? Safe is refers to the metallic container is used for safekeeping of document or small items in the office or installation for security matters is considered as one of the third line of defense. Ibig sabihin, third line of defense siya. Meron tayong tinatawag na third line of defense. Perimeter barrier. Second line yung pintuan. In third line defense, itong mga safe. Bolt, third line of defense din to. Is a heavily constructed fire and Bulgari resistance container is usually part of a building. Ibig sabihin, part siya ng building. Nakadikit siya sa building. Nakasemento siya doon. Building structure, keep, protect to the cash and document and negotiable instrument. File room. File room is a cubicle in the building constructed lighter than vault. Ibig sabihin, mas magaan siya sa vault. But bigger size, accommodate limited people to work or record inside. Ibig sabihin, ito yung malalaki na cabinet. Malalaki na cabinet to yung pinagtataguan ng mga document or file. Special Watchman Agency. Yung Special Watchman Agency kasi, yan yung the first formally licensed private security agency sa Pilipinas. Physical security. Physical security is the measures to adopt to prevent unauthorized access to equipment, facility, materials, and document and to safeguard them against espionage, sabotage, damage, or loss or theft. Ito yung pwede yung security guard, pwede yung CCTV dyan sa physical security. Example, security guard ka, physical security ka. CCTV, physical security din yan. Security education, why is important? Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng security education because the exposure of teaching employees and security relevant to their work and train to make them to consciousness and discipline. Tinuturuan mo kung ano yung kahalagahan ng security guard about sa trabaho nila. Ano ba yung kahalagahan ng security guard? To protect lives and property. Diba? Pilferage. Pag sinabi natin pilferage, an act of stealing a small amount and a crime of theft is usually from shipment, baggage, or inventory. It's the reduction in inventory control caused by shoplifter, outsider, or petty their every employees. Pag sinabi natin pilferage, ito yung tawag sa tao na nagnakaw ng mga small amount. Ang ginawa niyang krimen ay qualified theft kung ikaw ay empleyado. Diba? Pag hindi ka empleyado, pag dalawa kasi yan pag theft, simple taking of property. Wala kang force, kinuha mo lang bagay. Pag robbery, ito yung may force sa pantings. Yun lang yun, yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Sabotage is an act of destroying damage or evil motives that will lead to the stoppage or normal operation of the company, factory, or plant. Pag sinabi nating sabotage, example, pinasabog mo yung yung tangke ng Petrogen na pag-aari ng Pilipinas. Ayan, sabotage yan. Na-stop yung normal operation. Saboteur. Pag saboteur, ito yung tawag sa tao na naninira sa loob ng company. Ano ba yung bigyan tayong example. Pumasok sa loob ng company. Ginawa niya, winasak niya yung mga computer doon. Saboteur. Merong mga hacker. Saboteur yung mga hacker. Yan. Industrial security. Pag sinabi natin industrial security, a type of security which deals to the industrial plan and business enterprises where the personal process and properties in operation and safeguarded. Ito yung, tayo na nagbabantay sa ari-arian. Industrial security. Pag sinabi natin systematic pilferer, want to steal the preconceived plan and take away or types of items or supplies. For economic gain, ito yung planado yung galaw. Minsan, meron silang bayaran yan. Direct selling. Diba? Hindi lang nag-iisa yan. Hindi lang sila nag-iisa. Systematic yung ginagawa nila. May sistema silang pamamaraan. VIP security.